Hey, good morning, everybody. Patrick Kalmerton. It is season B of the Wisconsin spring turkey season. You can see that it is laid out, and it is 7:30 in the morning. I'm getting everything ready. Obviously, I'm wearing my Blackfish Gale and my glasses, my relevant glasses. I'm going to switch out for the concealment, but this is my sign right here that I gotta get going. That right there is pure joy. What that means right there is those kids are getting on the bus. And for those that tell me that they cannot get out hunting because their kids have to go to school, bang, right here. This is my setup ready to go. Obviously I have everything that I need. I got my pea shooter, got all my calls, I got all my cameras in there, got my camera to get equipment. I have fans for my strutting toms. You know, like I said before, when you get out this time of the day, it is pretty imperative to get into stuff that works. So this right here is a relevant concealment glass. So it's kind of goofy. I don't know the technology behind it and all that other stuff, but it pretty much takes the glare and everything off, as well as this right here, stealth screen. So what you do is you take the stealth screen, rub it on like a lotion, and it takes the glare away from your body. So if you're sitting in blinds, hub shacks, anything like that, what it pretty much turns it black. Okay, that's why I wear all the black Gales. Not only is it let me back that up. The clothing from Blackfish Gear, the Gales especially, the Storm Skin, it is windproof, waterproof, it is warm. It's probably the warmest, most comfortable garment that you're ever going to wear. And so many people only wear it for fishing or whatever. I wear mine year round. I wear it from hiking, I wear it for hunting, I wear it for fishing, I wear it for everything that I do. And I think I have every color of every style that they have, just so, you know, I'm not constantly wearing the same dirty stuff. But obviously black for inside of the hub shacks. I'm warm, I'm comfortable, the Burrox doesn't stick to it. Life is good that way. But get going here. I got my coffee, I got my pea shooter, I got my decoys, I got my guns, I got my glasses, my sunscreen as far as the concealment, the stealth screen, you know, to take the glare off when that sun gets a little bit higher. I'm going to test my luck mid-morning. Here we go. Oh man, birds in the field. I'm at this point, what I'm gonna do, yeah, there's birds in the field. So what I am going to do, instead of walking in and sneaking in on them, because there's multiple, if there was one tom out in the field, I would try to do the old Reaper trick. I am on private land right here. I'm on private land. There's birds in the field, and I'm not going to be able to reap them just because there is multiple birds in the field. So I'm going to play the farmer trick. Oh, there's that. Look at that. Where are they? There's birds right there in the field. So they're used to vehicles, they're used to farmers, they're used to all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is notice how I'm just driving. Most birds they're okay. They're not too worried. They're going to walk down, maybe run down into the field, but then through eventually. And then they're going to come into my decoys in about an hour. I'm going to shoot them in the lips. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, right there, when they go, that's, oh, there they stopped. They're just kind of, you can see them down there, right there. Birds in the field. I'm going to pretend I'm the farmer. I'm going to come and do my thing. Drive right up to the shack, set my stuff, and mid-morning. I'm not going to try to be all sneaky and sneak up on them. I'm going to do it this way. And then I'm sure that there's going to be birds on the back side over here. Oh, there's right here. That's right there. Jeez. Birds everywhere. Birds everywhere. Hey, good morning. There's a lot of birds up in the fields. So We'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Welcome to having kids. Get them off to school, then you go play. Oak Ridge game calls. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh man. So here's the deal. I am turkey hunting, and this farmer is coming back to spread manure. It's the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life. Yeah! So, a lot of people would think that right now is the time, oh, the farmer ruined my hunt. Absolutely not. These guys and gals have a job to do. They are gracious enough to let you hunt their property. They got, there's only so many daylight hours to a day, and he's got work to do. And not only that, but this is a meet lunchtime. That right there is going to be 100% lunchtime. And he is going to be in, out, spread some crap, and be gone. It's an amazing thing, you know. Oh, there goes the fan. I gotta fix the fan anyways, but he is spreading some seed and feed, and he's gonna have some corn in there and every other thing. And he is it's actually improving my hunting right now. But this is natural farm practices. This is 100% him getting his job done, putting fertilizer on his fields. And I am lucky enough to be in the area that he is going to be spreading it. I'm going to remove my decoy so it's not in his way, and we'll continue our hunt. It's not going to take very long before these birds start using this. Time. Look at it, all that fresh lunch. Locked and loaded.
Yeah. I thought I saw Otis in that truck.
Hi guys, again. Okay, bye. Good luck.
Yep,
Send pictures.
you.
So, here's the crew. Right, guys? Give them a thumbs up. Yeah! I think we can't see a thumb. There we go. So this is turkey camp, man. This is us. This is what we're doing. We are on the manure that they spread earlier. We are turkey hunting, and we're gonna bag a big one. Grandma and Grandpa are just up the hill, and they're gonna get one. So when you're doing that, okay, when you're doing that, you're gonna hold it just like this, and then just gently coming across, okay? Just and then what you want to do is you want to put your thumb right here. Just good job, Monty. Come on in. Alright, that's enough for a while. Little Red Riding Hood. How's that? How's that crappie shop sandwich? Pretty darn good, isn't it? It's like a little picnic in our blind.
I really like the ham.
You do like the ham?
Good.
It is good, isn't it, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
I'm going to eat it. I'll eat the bread I just had.
We're just getting our eats on here a little bit. Turkeys are going to be coming pretty soon. What you got there, buddy?
We got mint chip cookies.
Mint chip?
Yeah.
Where did you get them?
We got it from JT's.
No, you didn't.
We got it from Quick Trip. Did you make them?
No, Grandma made them.
We got it from Grandma. We dip it in coffee. I just like it. It smells very good, and it tastes very good.
They just don't know that we stole them, do they?
I thought they knew.
No, they don't know.
Well, good night. Good night. Good night. Love it.
What are you going to do with my coffee now? Okay, your sisters use it to dip?
Drink it. Drink it. It's too strong.
Is it still hot? Well, test it. Don't put your fingers in it, because I was going to drink it.
Not too hot.
Did you steal a cookie too? You're busted, buddy. You eating another cookie?
Maybe.
You turd bird.
They're too good.
They are too good.
I don't got another cookie.
No,
Wait.
you can't have another cookie.
Wait, I don't got one.
What are you eating now?
Nothing.
No, seriously. Give me some. What do you got? When did you steal this?
I don't know.
Mm-hmm. You turd bird. It is good jerky, isn't it? Here, I was kidding. You can eat it. Briscoe Meat says, awesome jerky. I agree, buddy. I concur. Day one, that's a wrap. What a beautiful evening. We, slow day. You know, this morning I was driving in and there were, well, you saw the video, 10, 12, 14, whatever it was. Birds in the field. And we had hens around us all day. You know, we had bearded hens. We had could have pulled trigger. I mean, it was legal. It's a legal bearded hen, but early in the season, we have plenty of days. Beautiful scenery. Love this sport. Turkey hunting, spring in Wisconsin. It's beautiful. We have some weather coming in. I got some meetings next couple of days, so hopefully Dad and Chris get on some birds. They will. They're gonna shoot some tomorrow. Whew. God, I love this sport. Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Good morning, everybody. Oh, let's see. It is Saturday. Saturday morning, 4:30. Getting ready to roll. The kids are not going to go with me this morning. We have 15, 20 mile an hour winds. It's whipping out there. So we're going to go in. We're going to shoot a bird. Get things ready to roll here. One of them where I'm excited about it, even though it's windy. Everybody says don't go turkey hunting when it's windy. Well, let me tell you, I think that turkeys sometimes prefer to be up in the fields when it's raining hard or windy, because they can hear predators coming and all that other good stuff. So let's give you a long walk this morning. Let's go shoot ourselves a bird. How awesome is this? I get to the farmer and I am going to walk back all the way back to my stand, and he says, oh no, take the wheeler. I don't need to take the wheeler. Exercise is fine. It's just sitting here doing nothing. Might as well take the wheeler. So instead of me having to walk all the way back here with all my gear, which I left most of it in the blind, let's be honest with ourselves. But it's pretty cool when you have a relationship with a farmer that he just says, yeah, take the farmer. So I definitely owe him some more smoked fish and some brats and all that stuff. You can see the mud flying. It rained pretty good yesterday, and I certainly was not going to drive on his lane. Yeah, there's gravel, and yeah, there's this, and yeah, there's that, but you know, the last thing you want to do is tear up their livelihood, or get things ripped up for them. So I was gonna walk back here. He said take the wheeler. Okay, I'll do that. What a beautiful morning. What a beautiful what an awesome dude. But anywho, farmers, they're incredible people. We are shooting hours. I'm enjoying my cup of coffee and my granola bar from Nature Valley. And it's windy. It's so damn windy, I think there's whitecaps in the hay fields. Yeah. What else is there to sleep in? It's turkey hunting season. So I have a question for y'all. For years, as I sit here with the wind just pounding me and all that stuff, and after talking to my dad last night, he's still old school. He's still one of them guys where I'm going hunting, I got to wear camo, and you know, it's cool to do that. And I'm not saying that's wrong, but with time, technology comes, right? So as time goes on, we find better things and we do better things and we're more comfortable and all that other stuff. And I'll tell you, I start wearing blackfish gear while hunting, and my success rate has actually improved because I'm more comfortable. I'm not moving around as much. I'm not doing things. But if you've never worn it, at least try it on. Do yourself justice and just try it on, because it's quiet, it's extremely light, it's windproof, it's waterproof. the Gale Storm skin that I'm talking about. But I got the pants on and I got the jacket on, and there's a hood and everything else. But I have a T-shirt under this right now. I mean, I'm perfectly comfortable. 15-mile-an-hour winds. It's 50s. It's not cold, but it'd be cold enough that, you know, that wind this time of year, it's damp. I mean, we had a lot of rain last night, but it's black. You have a black surrounding. You know, you seen in the pictures earlier, I think with the kids, I was sitting there and you had the camo, and then, of course, Finley was wearing purple or something, and, you know, wearing blinds and all that stuff, but the black with the black outline, or if you're sitting on the bottom of a tree and you're looking up at the silhouette, it's all black. You know, I'm not, again, I wear camo. I wear camouflage when I'm on the ground. I do that, you know, but if I'm up at a tree stand, or if I know that I'll be sitting for a while, there is not a chance that I'm going to go hunting without my blackfish gear. And it's just, it's become a staple in not only my hunting, but also my fishing. Spring and fall, early mornings, you know, coming into the evenings. And my duck hunting, I wear duck hunting, I wear it ice fishing. It is the best gear that I have ever put on. It's light, it's movable, the borax doesn't fit to it. There's a bunch of different colors, it can be stylish. It is windy. I don't know if I'm going to see any turkeys, but if I do, I'll be ready. What a beautiful morning. I'm ready. I am ready. There you boys are.